This video will demonstrate how to assemble Uline's round metal picnic tables. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Before assembly, verify all parts are present. Please contact Uline customer service if you notice any missing parts. Note it is important to keep screws loose throughout assembly. To begin assembly, flip the tabletop upside down. The table legs are labeled left and right. Attach one leg at a time to the tabletop. Note the right leg brace will rest in front of the left leg brace. Tighten all screws. Insert the cross brace with the umbrella holder facing upward and loosely bolt to the leg. If assembling the ADA model, insert the V-brace with the umbrella facing upward and loosely bolt to the corresponding corners. Flip the table upright and loosely attach the 4 bench seats to the legs. Ensure the tabletop and each seat are level. Then tighten each bolt and finish with the cross brace. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.